da 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 da. Going to the water park, splash and slide and play. Come with me, come have fun, it's a water park day. Before we play, what do? We remember rules, me and you. Change our clothes, swimsuit on, meet right here when you're done. First rule, walk, don't run. Slippery floors are not for fun. Slow, slow, step by step. Walking helps us stay safe, yep. Second rule, stay close by. Grown-ups watch with caring eyes. Hold a hand, stay in sight. Water play feels safe and right. If you can't swim, that's okay. Little pools are made to play. No big jumps, wait and see. Choose the pool that's right for me. Vest goes on, or floaties too. They help the water help you. Zip it up, nice and tight. Now we float and feel alright. If something feels wrong or new, I call out loud, help, hey you. Big kid voice, loud and clear. Help comes fast when grown-ups hear. Walk,